Hey there, everybody. Welcome back. We got another Hop Into It episode, and this week we were talking about great recognition that we just got notified of that we earned this past year, which is Master Contractor certification through Elevate, who is our main low slope provider or manufacturer. The even more exciting part is this is now back-to-back years for the team here at Seasons Kanga Roof earning that distinction, and 3 out of the last 4 years. So rather than me try and explain, why this is important and why you, as a building owner here in Metro Detroit, may care or may have an impact, I figure who better than my dad, Bill Sr., the founder, to kind of talk about this a little bit. And where I'd like to start, Pops, if it's cool with you, is, Elevate. We have Carlisle, you got GAF, there's a ton of different manufacturers out there.
Dozens.
Why Elevate? Why did you make the decision years ago that they were the right partner for us and by extension for our clients?
Well, I've been doing this for 35 years, so old guy in the room. And the big difference between Elevate and everybody else is their people. The setup they have in Michigan, the support level they have for their contractors is, on the commercial side, is the best in the industry. It's not even close. And I can also tell you that we've been doing this is our 20th year, which I'm very proud of. But we weren't an Elevate contractor until 5 or 6 years ago because, quite honestly, we couldn't meet their standard requirements until 5 or 6 years ago, maybe 7. But since then, we have ramped it up, and it gives us a level of consistency and performance being part of that brand. They're great people with our great people, gives the building owner a great product when we're done.
Yeah, we have great partners, Dave Bauer, JD. Anytime Matt or you or anyone here needs something, needs direction, they're a phone call away, which is awesome. So if I'm one of our clients, though, a prospective client, why, as a building owner, why does this matter to me? Why would I care that I'm working with a contractor who is a master contractor through Elevate?
So the big thing with this is consistency. You don't get this award unless you're extremely consistent in what you do. If you have one good roof and 2 bad roofs, or you got one great crew and one crappy crew, you're not going to get this award, and you're not going to be an Elevate contractor. So in a way, it forces us to step up our game, hold our team to a very high level of performance, because let's face it, as a building owner, what do you want? You want a roof that doesn't leak. It's not like, oh, they came out and fixed it, they came out and fixed it, they came out and fixed it. Yeah, that's great that somebody comes out and fixes it, but isn't it better just to not have it leak from the very beginning? And between us and Elevate, we hold each other to that high standard so that the building owners have a peace of mind in what they're doing.
Yeah, so if you're a building owner and you're looking at a $250,000 outlay, the last thing you want to worry about is spending more money 1, 3, 5 years down the road on your brand spanking new roof. And that kind of leads into, I don't know if consumers are aware, there's a lot of certifications in our industry that are almost pay to play. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Or you just you go through a workshop and you get a certificate. This is not that. Can you fill, like, for the consumer, when you say the quality is important, what is it that Elevate does that they ensure the quality?
So to become an Elevate contractor, you have to apply, obviously. Mm-hmm. You have to show them a track record of doing things well. Then they come out, and they will literally come out to jobs that we've done for other manufacturers to see what kind of quality we do. And that just is the beginning of the process. Once that happens, then they're going to come in, and they come in. In fact, they were supposed to be here this week doing training for us. Because of the incredibly cold weather, we weren't able to do it. But they come in 2 or 3 times a year, do hands-on training with our team. But they do that early on. They consistently do that. And as we build up the level of skill and confidence, that's why we ultimately got the master contractor, because we established that over 3 or 4 years.
Well, and even going back to our proven process, one of those key steps is, we go through and do that final inspection quality control. That's a big part of this too, if I'm correct.
Correct. So when we get done with a roof, we have a dedicated team of 2 to 3 guys that when a roof's done, they go out and they do a quality control inspection, because the last thing I want is the Firestone inspector. Firestone, they used to be Firestone, now they're Elevate. To have the Elevate inspector go up and find things wrong with my roof. So not only do our team does a great job, our quality control team does a great job, And then you have Elevate coming in behind us and double checking the double check.
Yep.
So that the owner gets a great product.
Well, and that's for the consumer. So you earn a score if you do a good job. And then if you have warranty claims, if you get dinged on your inspection, you actually get negative points.
Correct.
So it's not just how much did you do at a good level, it's how much did you do at a good level and minus any of the negatives. So
correct.
One of the things I hope consumers can understand too is there's a lot of contractors who may rise to this level for a year, but then never attain it again. That's, to your point, Pops, that consistency thing, huge, absolutely huge. So if from your perspective, why do you care? Like, what's the point of pride for you as the owner, the founder? You made the decision to go with Elevate about not just earning it this year now, but 3 out of the last 4 years. What does that matter to you? What does that mean?
What it means to me is I want to leave a legacy. I am the old guy in the room. I'm not going to be around forever. My life, my legacy is my children, my family, and this roofing company. And I want this company to be great. Not to be good, but to be great. And great, not today, not tomorrow. I have seen so many companies. If you go back 30 years and you look at who the players were in the industry 30 years ago, 99% of them are gone today. I don't want that to happen to Kanga Roof. I want to have our training, I want to have our processes, I want to have our crews so embedded that when I'm no longer part of this and I see people on the street when I'm retired, I know that we're still a great company and we're going to do a great job for them. That is my legacy.
Yeah, I agree. And it's my joke when I used to be the guy out in the field actually selling and meeting with the clients, you know, my joke, and I know Brian and Matthew feel the same way, Kanga Roof's going to be around or I'm not going to be alive. I mean, that's a really big deal to all 4 of us that our clients have that certainty. What I want you to do is maybe if you can sum up, there's 2 questions, but the first one, what's the key benefit to the consumer working with, or why would the consumer want to spend more knowing that I'm using that top 5%, which is what the master contractor is. It's the top 5% of commercial roofers. Why should I feel that comfortable and why should I seek that out? If you were sitting in that building owner's shoes right now.
So I'm going to start with, I don't want it to cost more. I don't want them to pay more. I want them to get the best price possible for the best roof possible. Mm-hmm. The biggest benefit when you partner with Kanga and Elevate is we're going to put a 20-year or up to a 30-year warranty on that roof.
Yep.
And the biggest thing that building owner is getting, cost certainty. He knows for the next 20 or 30 years, on the outside chance there are problems, one of those 2 companies is going to step up and take care of it. And most people, when they do a roof, they look at the cost, which is what you started with.
Yep.
So for example, if a roof costs $100,000 and it lasts 10 years, it costs you $10,000 a year to own that roof. If it lasts 20 years, it costs you $5,000 to own that roof. And where we're committed to with our Kanga Care program and those warranties and guarantees in place is to go well past that, meaning, yes, it might cost a little bit more on the front end, but over the cost of 20, 30, and even sometimes 40 years, we are going to be the low-cost provider and the value leader in the industry.
I think you summed it up really, really well there. So here's the curveball I didn't prep you ahead of time with. So who isn't right for this program? Who's the consumer out there that, you know what, we may not be right, and Elevate and having that 20, 30-year NDL full system warranty, who's the guy who's watching this, you go, you know what, this wouldn't be the right solution for you?
Oh, that's easy. We had one last week. We had a building owner. He had lots of roofing problems. We gave him a proposal to do it the right way, to bring the insulation up to code, to put tapered insulation in, to get the water off the roof and the full Elevate system. And he came back and said, I am going to sell this building in 1 or 2 years. I don't care about that. And basically what he's saying is he doesn't care about the next owner. I just want to minimize my cost until I sell the building.
Yep.
That ain't going to work. We don't typically deal with those kind of people because we want to look at people that are proactive. They want the best buy for the longest period possible.
Well, and I think that goes to Elevate too. You know, they want good long-term partners in their contractors, and they want the consumers that do want those full systems. They want that peace of mind, that certainty to know that I am getting the best value, as you said really well, for the investment I'm making, because it is a major investment.
Yep.
So, well, awesome. For any of you tuning in out there, I really hope this helped clear some things up, maybe educate you a little bit about what that master contractor status and certification really means, and really what it means, not just doing it back to back, but 3 out of the last 4 years, and we plan to keep doing that year after year. If you're one of those building owners we talked about who, you got that project on the horizon after watching this, if you want to meet with one of our roofing specialists, we'd love to help. We'll take it through. We'll take you through that Kanga way. You can always give us a call, 586-566-0308. Or, hey, if you don't want to speak to my team, you can hop right on the website, schedule your appointment yourself, and we'll have somebody out there to take care of you. As always, I hope you got some benefit out of this, and I hope you have a Kanga-rific day.